Kaiou 360-degree UV cylindrical printing. Continuous, fully automated production. Automatic loading and precise positioning. 360-degree synchronized rotary printing. Instant UV curing and automatic unloading. A fully integrated, end-to-end workflow, no stops, no manual intervention. Powered by a high-precision servo-driven rotation system. It delivers seamless graphics, with no ghosting, no distortion. Ideal for tumblers, bottles, tubes, and a wide range of cylindrical products. CMYK, white ink, and varnish, printed in a single pass. With stable and consistent results. From custom sampling to full-scale mass production. One machine covers the entire production cycle. This is an industrial grade 360-degree UV cylindrical printer. Engineered for reliable 24/7 continuous operation.